Hello, everyone. Welcome to Talk 4 of the Negotiations Lecture Series. In the previous lecture, we talked about interest-based approach as the less costly, but we also noted that there are instances wherein rights-based approach or power-based approach is necessary as a last resort. Now let's tackle 3 tips in negotiating agreement without giving in based on the international bestseller Getting to Yes by Roger Fisher, William Ury, and Bruce Patton of the Harvard Negotiation Project. First tip, don't bargain over positions. Position is what you want, while interest is why you want what you want. Let's take the classic example wherein two friends want the same orange, but one of them wants it for the peel part, while the other wants it for the juice part. When both of them just bargains over their position that they want the same orange, less attention is devoted to meeting underlying concerns, so agreement becomes less likely. Any agreement reached may reflect a mechanical splitting of the difference between final positions rather than a solution carefully crafted to meet legitimate interest of the parties. The results could be less satisfactory, thus endangering the relationship. Second tip, separate the people from the problem. There are 2 kinds of interest, substance and relationship. It is important to deal directly with the people problem. Put yourself in their shoes, discuss each other's perception, give them a stake in the outcome by making them participate in the process. Understand emotions, theirs and yours. Make emotions explicit and acknowledge them as legitimate. In other words, allow the other side to let off steam. Third and last tip, focus on interest, not positions. Powerful interest could be the basic human needs such as security and economic well-being, sense of belongingness, recognition, control over one's life, and self-actualization. The chance of this happening increases when you communicate them, so be specific and acknowledge each other's interest. It is also important to determine the problem first and then generate a variety of possibilities before deciding. To summarize, in negotiating agreement without giving in, here are 3 tips. First, don't bargain over positions. Second, separate the people from the problem. And third, focus on interest, not positions. So that's it for Talk 4. Thank you very much for listening.